I'll tell you so. He hums and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's a really useful engine we adore. He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so. Now he's got a fresh mind with all his very own. He's a really useful engine we adore. He's the one, he's the number one. He's the tank engine. He's a really useful engine we adore.
It was a beautiful sunny day in Jerusalem, and Arthur was trying to hold the pack because his stomach was to Oliver was loading up Arthur's trucks. Nearly done, Arthur. Just then, Max, Monty, watch out! Max did stop, but Monty didn't. Max hit a stone and crashed into Arthur's whistle. Oh no, said Arthur. Now his whistle couldn't work. Sorry, Arthur. It was all Monty's fault. No, it wasn't. It was yours. No, it wasn't. It was. It wasn't. It was. It wasn't. It was. Stop this grumbling, you two. You caused this. Arthur, I suggest you go to the works. Me and the pack will take care of this. We'll call Ryan. He'll come. Okay. Arthur still worried about his whistle, just said. And if things couldn't get any worse, they didn't have his usual whistle. What am I going to do? said Arthur. Then the woman suggested a whistle that they recently had. So Arthur was fitting a new whistle, and without even trying it out, he set off. Arthur has to pick up some trucks to take to the construction site. And just as he was leaving, he blew his whistle. But then it made a different sound. What the? Arthur said. He was surprised to hear his whistle. It wasn't his usual whistle. You see, we all know Murdoch, right? He and Arthur had almost shared the same whistle. Well, they do share the same whistle. But anyways, Arthur was surprised. Why don't you have a new whistle? I can't wait to find out. I need to take this trucks away. Soon Oliver was hard at work. Then Patrick rolled up. Hey Arthur, I heard about your new whistle. Can I hear it? Okay. Arthur blew his whistle, which caught the pack's attention. Whoa, Arthur, you got a new whistle. Now it does sound like Murdoch. Now people can distinguish the differences between you and Murdoch. Yeah, now you don't have to complain about being mistaken for him. I mean, no offense, Arthur, but you and Murdoch do have the same whistles. Arthur didn't want to argue, as he knew that they were right. So when his trucks were loaded, he set off. As Arthur went through the fishing village, he passed through Elspeth Station, where Thomas was. He was picking up passengers when Arthur arrived. Hello, Arthur. What's wrong? Arthur explained about his accident with Max and Monty, and that he got a new whistle, and it's not the same as his usual. Just listen to it. Wow, Arthur, that's a pretty unique whistle. Yes, but I like my old one. I mean, let's be honest, it did sound like Murdoch's usual whistle, I know. But I'm just getting used to your whistle. Look, Arthur, all whistles are unique. Different or not, they're pretty unique. And I should know. Because one time before I came to Solar, I had to change whistle. You did? Yes, even though I didn't want to, I did give it a chance, and it turned out perfectly. You just have to give a chance to your whistle to prove that it's really unique. Don't you worry. One day your whistle will come in handy one day, and you'll get used to it. Goodbye, Arthur. I guess Thomas is right, said Arthur, and he set off to the fishing village. He arrived to find a long train of fishing cars to take to the docks. Arthur, thank goodness you're here. Listen, Marley just took this train over here, and now we need to take it to the docks. Okay, I just go in front? No, it's too late for that. There's no time. We need you to go in the front of the train. We need you to go in the back of the train and push that all the way. Okay, said Arthur. Arthur pushed the whole train for the whole way. He was getting tired. Since this is all seemed well, Arthur soon got a shock. Ooh! Arthur said. Arthur was surprised. In front of him was a big tall tree that was blocking all 3 lines. Cinders and ashes, said Arthur. That could cause an accident. I better go warn the signalman. But just as he was about to leave, he heard a familiar whistle. Oh no, it's Thomas! If he doesn't know about the broken tree, he'll crash. I have to do something, said Arthur. Then he remembered his whistle. My whistle's pretty loud, he said. And he took a huff and a puff, and he blew his whistle as loud as he could. Thomas heard the whistle. His driver applied the brakes as hard as he could. Cinders and ashes, said Thomas. Arthur, you saved me. Thank you. Later on, the Fat Controller came to see Arthur. Your new whistle saved a lot of lives today. Thanks to you, Arthur, the passengers are safe and are fully aware of the danger and the delay. Thanks to you and your new whistle, you saved Thomas and his passengers. As the Fat Controller left, Thomas just looked at Arthur. Thank you for saving me, Arthur. It was nothing, said Arthur. I'm just glad to have a new whistle. And from then on, Arthur still uses his whistle. He's still getting used to it. But he still loves it.